Worth is quality. What is your idea of quality? We understand quality as awareness of the needs of our customers. Thank you for purchasing your Worth windshield repair system. This video is meant to provide an overview of the windshield repair process. When it comes to quality, we make no compromise. The name Worth stands for good, solid product and process quality and outstanding customer service. Windshield repair is a permanent process that removes air from the brake and fills it with a curable, optically matched resin. Windshield damage occurs in one of two ways: through stress or impact from an object striking the glass. There are three types of damage that you will see. A bullseye is a separated cone in the outer light of glass that results in a dark circle with an impact point. The dark circle you see is an air pocket in the glass. A star break exhibits a series of legs that emanate from the impact point. A combination break has the characteristics of both the bullseye and the star break. There are two types of glass found in vehicles: laminated and tempered. You can only repair laminated glass, and every windshield in the US since 1939 is made of laminated glass. Tempered glass breaks into hundreds of pieces and cannot be repaired. Now, let's talk about the benefits of windshield repair. Windshield repair restores the structural integrity of the glass. Structural integrity is important because the windshield is integral to airbag deployment systems, cabin structure, and to keep the occupants in the vehicle safe during an accident. It saves the factory seal of the windshield. This prevents leaks that can occur from improperly replaced windshields. Windshield repair is also much more cost-effective than a replacement windshield and can save your customer hundreds of dollars. A proper repair will improve the cosmetics by at least 80% or more. While no repaired break in the glass will ever disappear completely, a significant improvement in clarity can be achieved. Where windshield replacements can take several hours, a repair is often completed in less than 30 minutes, saving your customers valuable time. Finally, every repaired windshield is one less piece of glass that ends up in our landfills, making it the environmentally friendly alternative. When repairing windshields, take the following precautions. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Use chemical-resistant gloves to protect your skin from acrylic acid, and always keep the MSDS sheets with you in case of an accident. Before starting any repair, it's important to assess the damage. Explain to your customer that there's a risk that the damage may spread, and also that the completed repair will not make the damage disappear. The goal is to restore the structural integrity of the windshield. Next, check for hydrophobic coatings that repel water, as these coatings will prevent the pit resin from adhering. To check for these coatings, spray a small amount of water on an area of the windshield away from the damage and see if it beads up. If it does, there's a coating on the glass. There are two ways to effectively remove hydrophobic coatings. First, scrub the area of the repair with quad-aught steel wool until you see the coating ball up. Secondly, if your system included a moisture evaporator, use it to heat the damaged area for 20 seconds to burn the coating off. Also, check for moisture in the brake. Moisture in a brake appears as a gray shadow that can be manipulated by applying pressure with your scribe. If moisture is present, apply heat with the moisture evaporator for 20 seconds. You should see the water boil and evaporate through the impact point. Be sure to let the glass cool back down before beginning the repair. Check the temperature of the glass. Ideally, the glass temperature should be between 70 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 38 degrees Celsius before repairing. If the glass is too hot, it can be cooled by opening the cabin windows. If the glass is too cold, it can be warmed by turning warm air on through the defrost vents. With the inspection and preparation completed, it's now time to begin the actual repair. We'll go through the process step by step for a standard repair and show you each step in detail. Begin by taking your scribe and gently cleaning the pit of loose glass. Use the dust blower to remove any debris that remains. Center the injector barrel over the impact point when placing the bridge on the glass. Flip the locking lever to the horizontal position. You can check the injector's orientation by looking down the barrel or by using a centering tool and making small adjustments until the injector is correctly positioned. When the bridge is properly positioned, screw the injector barrel down until the end seal just touches the glass, and then advance it 1/2 turn more. Screw the leveling screws down until they just touch the glass. The goal is to uniformly compress the end seal against the glass. The amount of the end seal visible between the glass and injector barrel should be equal all the way around. It is important not to over-tighten the injector because this could make the brake harder to fill or crack the windshield further. Load the injector with one pre-measured syringe of resin. Be sure to get the resin to the bottom of the injector so it fills the end seal. Put the injector plunger into the vacuum position with the piston retracted and screw it into the barrel until it stops. Do not over-tighten. Put the injector into the pressure cycle by holding the injector body with one hand while pulling up and turning clockwise 1/4 turn. Slowly lower the plunger until it stops and apply a slight amount of thumb pressure. Leave it in the pressure cycle for approximately 5 minutes. After the first pressure cycle is complete, start the first vacuum cycle by lifting the plunger, turning 1/4 turn, and leaving it for 30 seconds. For the second pressure cycle, initiate the plunger as done in the first pressure cycle. Leave it in the second pressure cycle for 2 minutes. Repeat a second vacuum cycle for 30 seconds. Then back into the pressure cycle for 2 minutes. Always end your repair on a pressure cycle, as this will ensure that the brake is filled completely. Keep repeating cycles until you see no more air, black, green, or shiny pockets in the brake. Keep repeating cycles until you see no more air present in the repair. Remove the bridge and cover the injector to protect it from UV light. Take care not to turn the bridge upside down. Then place 1 drop of pit resin just below the pit, making sure there are no air bubbles present. If you see air bubbles, use a straight pin to pop them. Use the curing tab to maneuver the pit resin into the pit and lay it flat. Do not push on the curing tab, as this will force out the pit resin you just applied. Using your curing lamp, expose the finished repair to UV light for a period of 5 minutes. Remove the curing tab, and with a new razor blade held at a 90-degree angle to the glass, use firm and quick strokes to scrape the resin flush with the surface of the glass. This will prevent the resin from interfering with the wipers. Finally, apply a drop of pit polish to the finished repair and rub vigorously with a paper towel or soft cloth until the pit shines. This will improve the cosmetic appearance of the repair. The cosmetics by at least 80% or more. While no repaired break in the glass will ever disappear completely, a significant improvement in clarity can be achieved. Use denatured alcohol to clean the injector assembly between uses to prevent resin from curing in or gumming up the equipment. Remember that UV light cures windshield repair resins. Dirty or damaged vacuum cup will interfere with the bridge staying on the glass. Do not allow resin to contact the vacuum cup and wash it periodically with warm soap and water or denatured alcohol. Change end seals every 10 repairs. Worn end seals will cause air to remain in the brake.